Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Sora AI. We're going to go into depth, have a comprehensive guide, and teach you all the pros and cons about this. This tutorial is an in-depth tutorial on mastering Sora AI. It's the cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform designed to elevate your productivity and creativity. Whether you're a student, educator, researcher, or professional, Sora AI offers a plethora of features to assist you in achieving your goals. Join us as we explore every facet of this powerful tool and unveil its full potential. Understanding Sora AI's interface. Now let's begin by acquainting ourselves with the user-friendly interface of Sora AI and diving into one of its core features. Upon launching the application, you will be greeted by a sleek dashboard showcasing an array of tools and options tailored to meet your diverse needs. From the text generation to image recognition, Sora AI encompasses a wide spectrum of functionalities designed to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation, as it will serve you as your gateway to unlocking the full potential of Sora AI. One of the biggest advantages is text generation, crafting coherent and engaging content with ease. Among Sora AI's standout features is its text generation. It is a capability which empowers users to effortlessly craft high-quality content for various purposes. Whether you're writing an essay, composing an email, or brainstorming ideas, Sora AI serves as your reliable writing companion. To begin this process, simply select the text generation tool and customize parameters such as tone, style, and length to align with your preferences and objectives. Watch in amazement as Sora AI generates coherent and engaging text tailored to your specification, saving you valuable time and effort in the process. One of the next key features of Sora AI is image recognition. It's a remarkable feature offered by Sora AI, as its image recognition capability, which enables users to derive valuable insights and information from visual data. Whether you need to extract text from an image, identify objects, or generate captions, Sora AI makes the process seamless and intuitive. Now, how to do this? Simply upload the image you wish to analyze and let Sora AI work its magic. Within moments, to extract text, identify objects, and provide valuable context, empowering you to make informed decisions and derive actionable insights from visual content. Another key feature is its ability to collaborate and integrate, fostering seamless connectivity and cooperation. In addition to its robust individual features, Sora AI excels in fostering collaborations and integrations, allowing users to work together seamlessly and synchronize their data across various platforms. Invite collaborators to join your workspace, assign tasks, and track progress in real time, all within the Sora AI ecosystem. Furthermore, leverage integrations with the popular productivity tools such as Google Drive and Microsoft Office to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Some of the few advanced tips and strategies we have for you if you're going to use Sora AI. Now that you're familiar with the fundamental features of Sora AI, let's explore some advanced tips and strategies to maximize its potential and tailor it to your specific needs. Delve into the advanced settings to the fine-tuned text generation according to your preferences and specifications. Additionally, consider creating custom models to further enhance accuracy and precision, ensuring that Sora AI meets and exceeds your expectations. That's all for today, folks. As we conclude our comprehensive tutorial on mastering Sora AI, we hope you've gained valuable insights into harnessing the power of this groundbreaking platform. Whether you're seeking assistance with writing, analyzing visual data, or collaborating with peers, Sora AI offers a comprehensive solution to meet your needs. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what videos you want us to make in the future. If we have missed out on any aspect that you wish was there in the video, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.